Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I having Samsung brand washing machine top loader. The problem is according to the customer, problem is while giving power it is within few seconds it's showing DE. It's related with the door switch or door not closing properly, because of that only showing. But let's see, let me check what is the problem exactly. So suppose the on switch on power, and I will select spin, and it's showing 10 minutes. Now it's showing D, but any option I'm selecting is showing D. That means doors not closing properly. This is the problem. Let me check it exactly what is the problem. I have to troubleshoot the problem. Again I'm selecting direct spin. Yes, it's showing DE.